Welcome back to my Astro Imaging Journey channel. Well, tonight's going to be a bust for imaging. Got some clouds moving in, but we do have Venus and the Moon decided to be neighborly. So I'm kind of hoping that it's still above the tree line and I can get an image of it or two. So let me take care of that. And while I'm walking out here, I know it's kind of dark and it's just barely. Well, there's going to be some trees in the way, but we're going to try to do something with what we got. So I will have the images and the settings I used here in a minute, or a second rather. All right, well, there we go. That's what I was able to capture tonight. Unfortunately, it sunk real fast, and I just didn't get it out here in time before it got to, while it was still a little bit higher above the horizon. So I want to say thanks everybody for watching, and yeah, as always, clear skies. Stick around for the outro. Have a good one.
Thanks for watching yet another episode from the Astro Imaging Journey channel. Really appreciate your viewership. In our upper right, we have the latest video that I have posted prior to this one. Down in the lower right, we have what YouTube thinks you will enjoy. Below is a subscription link. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you so choose, ring that bell if you want to get notified of something new, and as always, thank you. Clear skies. Remember to